So far, it's a very, very simple unit. It allows you to have active readings of what, sensors you can read from. Read data stream, so this just tells you raw information about what's going on with the car. So as you can see, it's currently 69. Nice. RPM. Intake temperature's 50. Yeah. Spark advance. Like, it's got information. Tons of it. 9 pages. 0 to 60 timing. And it does codes. The screen's actually kind of nice. Alright. So as you can see, this screen is really easy to read. And it'll probably bitch because I don't have the Honda on. Yeah, okay, so do that, turn off the radio, try it again. There we go. So we hit read codes, which shouldn't have anything. Yay! So we'll jump to that here shortly. I was going to look at the box. There's really nothing here. There's a... hold on. There is a manual. I didn't look at the manual because it's kind of, these are pretty self-explanatory to use. And, yeah, let's jump into it. Alright, we have next to nothing in here. We have the USB coming up to here. Got power cable going over there. We have a chip with its stuff lasered off. We have whatever that is. Focus ya. Oh, shoot too much. Boya Micro? I think that's what that says. Anyways, and on the other side, we have a screen. That's where the power cable goes to, is the backlight of the screen. Okay, and I'm going to assume some kind of JTAG header there. Yeah, pretty simple. Wonder what happens if you plug in the USB. Okay, so I'm not going to show you any of this just in case it has, information there, but it does show the VIN. Yeah, I really think that's it. Oh, if you hit, oh wait, no, I showed that in the USB one. But yeah, if you hit down here, you can also access that menu while it's plugged into your car.
Okay, I got this. This is what it looks like. Anyway, this is for the car to tell us what's wrong with it. I'm leaving it in a package until I am in need of it, but this is what it looks like. It's called a, whatever that says, tool, VD10, okay, whatever those words are. Enter, exit, car reader. And it's not expensive either, so it's actually a decent price.